We're not even gonna saw it? No. I didn't look at the back side of it, I just looked at the front side. It's wiggling? Yeah. Is this safe?
Okay. Let's pull it down.
All right.
We're gonna have to use a saw on this one.
No, I guess not. All right, so that tree right there. That's the tree he's looking at pulling over just with the tractor. He's hooking it up now and it was totally hollow on the inside. So I'm gonna move. Hope everybody's okay at the end of this. All right.
You ready?
Sure. You ready? All right. Good luck. See you at the bottom. Off. It wasn't coming over.
Do I have to do a little cut on it?
Maybe a baby cut.
Oh man, I hate getting underneath that tree.
Okay.
Gotta take a shot.
So, oops, that big log there is totally hollow. He's gonna back up here. Then we're gonna try to pull that part down. See if it's any good. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yep, that's okay. I'm going fast. Right here. Yeah, that was me. Stay. I don't know, or it's just gonna be down so it's not like a...
You want me to buzz it right there?
Sure.
Oh yeah. Gonna take out those two maples when it comes down.
The little ones?
Yeah.
The fuck is that? He's doing his own little thing. Let me go up. I'm gonna give it all the zap zap. I think you're gonna get hung up on that tree there. The way it's pulling down, let's get you guys to look at the ground here. He's pulling there to that tree there. I think you'll run into a mess. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a leaner. Here it's poplar just growing crooked. Yeah. And he's going to soften and soften. How's that going? So you like that Oregon chain better than the steel chain, huh?
Yeah, it just seems more aggressive.
More aggressive?
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, that tree's down then.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, do you want me to cut that stump off down there low so we get another chunk out of it or not?
Nah.
What?
Nah.
Nah? Okay. Alright, well, we're going to go look for our next victims.
Okay.
You going to cut her?
No, you're gonna cut her.
I'm going to cut her?
Yeah, you want me to go down and knock those two off though while you get all mentally prepped or no?
Sure.
Okay.
You go down and knock those two off while I get...
Yeah. What's holding it up?
Almost seems like it's hung up top somewhere.
Could be. We need the wind to go the other way. Be careful. Hey, hey, hey. Babe, get out of there. It's not going to fall the way you want it to today.
No, the wind sent it back.
I know. Well, just give it a second.
I'm glad I put that shim in there.
Is it too windy today?
No. Get a spring back. There it goes. There it goes. Might not go the way I wanted it to go, but it's hung up on that tree.
The tree you want to take out?
That one.
Yeah.
So if I cut that one, this one will fall.
Okay. It's not going to slide back too far, is it, when it falls down?
What's that?
It's not going to slide back, is it?
No.
Smack ya?
Shouldn't.
Okay. It's right there.
Sounds like a good plan, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now they'll both come down together.
Okay, in theory. Anything I can do to help?
No. Yeah, it's caught up on that branch. This one's got a heavy.
You good?
Yeah.
Wasn't going quite the way you wanted it to, was it?
No, but it worked out.
Good.
I was off on my cut.
A little bit, yeah. It's hard to judge,
low.
though.
A little low on that side.
Ooh, it's hard to judge on a hillside. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
right.
I had to cut through my hinge, my holding wood,
I know.
to get it to come over because it was holding on that piece right there.
Yeah.
I was a little low, inch too low on this side. I had all this holding wood here, then I went too far on this side, but still, that works. It's down.
That's good. Good job, babe. You good?
How we doing?
Great. It's a long drive. Still looking good. Oh, it's stuck on a tree. Sorry, guys. Stuck on a tree. We can always pull it back so we can hook up to it. Pull it down further. Oop. There you go. Whoa. Ah, thanks for that.
You're welcome. I got one for you.
55 feet.
Yeah. 55 feet. I said almost 60 feet.
Oh, what did I say?
I don't remember what you said.
I don't know what I said.
Oh, we're down here.
Yeah.
Hey, can you see us?
I don't know.
Can you
Can
see
you
us?
see me?
Oh, yeah, I can see you now.
Yeah.
Okay. So that one's,
Yeah.
how many? Just about 60 feet?
Just about, yes, 55.
55.
Yeah.
We're darn close.
Uh-huh.
The other one, the smaller maple. It's got branches on it.
They were on the bottom side.
Oh, where's the saw?
Oh,
Where's my
this,
saw?
well, that's the dog.
My saw is here too.
I'll go grab the saw.
I don't know where you were.
I don't know. Somewhere. I put it somewhere. You find it? Yay! Could you be a little bit more on my lap, ma'am? You're killing me. Come on, hop. Get down. Get out. There you go. Thank you. It's so long.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Let's mark it out 8 feet. I'll whack off a piece and then I'll pick it up with the
Okay. The bucket? The grapple, that's what I meant. All right.
Yeah.
How was that ride down?
It bogged the tractor down and low. I've never had anything bog the tractor and low yet. That one did.
Because of the weight you had on the grapple plus the weight you were pulling behind you.
Just when I was pulling them, it bogged it. Yeah. Got a good ditch coming down, but we'll fix that.
Yeah. Ready to
All
buck
right,
them up?
you're gonna buck them up to 8 feet, and I'll
Yep.
start loading them onto the trailer.
Okay. How's this going?
How much?
Sorry. How's this going?
Going good. I don't want to put much more on that trailer than what we got on there now.
Yeah.
Because it's not really a super heavy industrial, super duty trailer.
Nope.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that's plenty enough. There's probably,
Oh,
1,000, 1,200, 1,500 pounds on there, you think?
maybe.
I don't know. What is that? That's, I don't know how far across it is, but it's wet. So,
Yeah.
got hickory, hickory, hickory.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Maple oak?
Maple oak?
Maple oak?
Hickory, whatever. What time is it?
I have no idea.
We still have to load up 2 totes. We got 2 totes left to deliver.
It's gonna be a busy day. We're
Yeah.
gonna get a lot done.
Yeah, I just wonder if we have enough time.
We got tomorrow.
No, I mean to get the totes loaded up.
We got tomorrow.
I mean, we'll come back and get this tomorrow if we don't have time
Yeah.
to do this
We'll
today.
check and see what time it is. And
Yeah.
Well, let's get on the road. Let's get on the road.
This went pretty well. How
Yeah.
many trees would you end up taking now? 1, 2, 3, 4?
5.
1, 2.
There's one
Well,
that we left.
the one you cut that was bad. Yeah, that we left that.
You.
That little one.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll get these over to the other side of the land and get them into the wood yard. Get them up on the bucking table. Not today, but
Today. We'll get 'em
eventually.
figured out. Yeah.
We still have a big one over there to cut up too.
Yeah. We'll get
That
it all
other hickory,
staged
so-
so that way
Yes.
it rolls smooth.
Perfect. You don't want to
Yeah.
hear us ramble, so.
Okay. Let's
All right,
go.
that's a cool log.
I like that log.
Yeah, you should put that in our front yard. The whole
The whole
log.
log.
Yeah, you put it in here. We'll just pick it out. It's really light.
My
Kids are
neighbors
playing it.
already don't like me.
I know. They think you're crazy.
I know.
I know. Yeah.
I do some
All
weird
5
stuff.
of you that are in there.
He means all 5 of me. He doesn't mean 5 of my neighbors. He means me.
All 5 of you. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's 5 of your personalities. So.
Yeah. How's it going?
I'm still going good. I just got a pain in my shoulder.
I'm sorry.
I don't know why.
Do you want me to move away from you?
No.
Is that better?
No, that's better.
How was your day?
It was good.
Yeah, we got a lot done.
Productive, very productive.
Yeah.
We never got all the wood, the logs over from the other side of the land, but we'll do that tomorrow.
We got tomorrow.
And then
we
have to buck up some, not buck up, but we have to buck it all up, but we still have to cut down the logs that are up on, that we brought out the other day from the hickory. That one's about 30 foot long.
gonna be my project for tomorrow.
Yeah. And then I'll start, I'll bring over the rest of the logs, and you could start splitting actually tomorrow. Unless you're gonna go up on top and work on the 5 that we have up on top.
I was thinking that maybe I'd stay down below and I'd like get a bunch bucked up out of the way.
Yeah?
As much as just doable. And that way, if bad weather comes, then I could split.
Yeah.
And you're not trying to monkey the tractor around the snow and the crap. That was my thought.
Well,
I don't know.
maybe.
We'll see where tomorrow takes us.
We'll see what happens.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I got something for you.
What do you got for me? Ouch, ouch.
Here you go. I got you. Gourmet lunch.
Oh, lunch. That's a gourmet lunch. Brittany's cooking again. Look at that. Nice. Thanks, dear.
You're welcome.
All right.
Well, thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, leave us a like or a comment and hit the subscribe button. And you can see more of the stuff that we get into.
If you don't like the video, leave us a negative comment. We like that too. We find those interesting. Every channel has some negative comment along the line somewhere, don't they?
Yeah, ours are usually about safety precautions.
Yeah,
and
because you were actually wearing no safety protection at all today in the woods. I was wearing my helmet. I didn't put my chaps on, but I wore my helmet on a couple of them. A couple of them I didn't.
Yeah. See, safety precautions.
I'm gonna take a time out for that.
Okay, thanks guys for watching.